as our final full display of the day, the Hawker Fury and the North American P-51D Mustang. And then to finish things off, a fly past or fly pasts, we're not quite sure at this stage how many, but nonetheless a welcome visit in advance of their full display tomorrow by Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows, with their 8 Hawks, and that takes us through until about 5:15, after which, as Colin was explaining to you earlier, we will of course be continuing the ground activities for a good while longer until the site closes this evening, but I'll remind you about that near the time. Back into the air, which it did yesterday, just in time to practice and work up for today's display. So there goes the B-17, its escort flight of the Republic P-47D Thunderbolt, following it on the runway, and they will be back with us shortly. But for now, Colin, that's a question. Colin. One of the biggest and heaviest of all single-engined, single-seat fighters of the war years, the Thunderbolt, but one possessed of absolutely outstanding performance both in the air-to-air and the air-to-ground roles. Republic Aviation first came up with its proposal for a new pursuit fighter, as the Americans called them, that they called the XP-47 in prototype form. It was a very different machine from this. It wasn't particularly large and heavy. That design, by a Georgian emigre by the name of Alexander Kartveli, was substantially revised. And the resulting airframe here weighs some 7 tons, and that's more than a good number of multi-engine light bombers and strike aircraft of the period. But this was still an outstanding platform. 5 P-47s took place 80 years ago this March, on the 10th of that month in 1943, a fighter sweep over France by the 4th Fighter Group stationed at Debden in Essex. Continued even after the longer-legged P-51 Mustang came into service because of the type's effectiveness on air-to-ground missions.